Hi, this is RJ Shekhar Basha from 92.7 Big FM. I work as a radio jockey here. So today Big FM has initiated a new program called Big Heart. This is not just in Hyderabad. Across 45 stations of Big FM we've been doing this. So it started from Delhi where we distributed lots of sweaters and shawls to those underprivileged people. But we have gone this next step ahead. So this time we are doing this campaign called Teach Your Skills to the Children, underprivileged children. So if I ask you to give a donation of 1,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, okay, you might give. But more than that, if you can teach them how to earn those 1,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, that will be of great help for the entire life of the child. So there are a lot of people among you. I request through you is like some of you might know programming, some of you might know better English, some of you might know other skills like mobile repairing or a lot of things that you can teach people so that they are equipped with those and they can live their life with these skills better. So to this Big Heart, we're appealing all those people to register through Big FM, Big Heart as volunteers for this program and teach those kids. So I just tell you an experience. Recently we've gone for a small slum area where a lot of children, the minimum facilities were not there for them to study. But in the same colony, those students who have already graduated and already doing graduation, they are coming to these underprivileged kids, those who are 4th class, 5th class people, they are coming there and teaching these people. These children who are grown up here in the same colony, they are not very biggies or they don't earn lakhs of salaries, but they have this passion. So I request all of you to take this inspiration and initiation and build a better Bharat. Thank you so much.